Hi everyone, this is God Cares for Me, a Bible verse coloring book with Emma. In this book, kids will learn God's promises and enjoy coloring beautiful pictures. Let's see why this book is so special. Why will kids love this book? Because it's full of God's promises and love. On the left page, they'll read a Bible verse with a simple explanation. On the right page, they'll color a peaceful scene that shows God's care. It's the perfect way to learn God's Word and relax at the same time. Here's a Bible verse from Matthew 28, verse 20. Jesus says, "I am with you always, even unto the end of the world." That means Jesus promises to stay with us always, no matter what happens. On the left page, kids will see the Bible verse with a simple explanation. On the right page, they can color a picture that matches the verse, reminding them that Jesus is always near. Now let's look at Psalm 91, verse 11. It says, "For he shall give his angels charge over thee, to keep thee in all thy ways." God sends his angels to protect us. Kids will enjoy coloring this page and thinking about God's care and safety. Here's Jeremiah 29, verse 11. God says, "I know the thoughts I think toward you, thoughts of peace, and not of evil, to give you an expected end." That means God has good plans for us. And look, David bravely defeated Goliath with God's help. Kids can color this page and remember, God fights my battles for me. Guess what? You can find this coloring book on Amazon. Just search for God Cares for Me, a Bible verse coloring book with Emma by Elaine Tian. It's easy to find and makes a wonderful gift for kids. I also want to show you some other books. There are more fun coloring books and picture books, like Meet the Museum Bears, Dr. Grace's Prayer, and Zookeeper Eli's Prayer. Each one is filled with faith, creativity, and fun. Let's end with an inspiring thought. Pablo Picasso once said, "Art washes away from the soul the dust of everyday life." That means coloring and drawing help us feel refreshed, peaceful, and full of joy. So let's keep creating and enjoy the beauty God gives us.